my channel. In this video I'm gonna review two Body Shop products. The first one is the Body Shop Tea Tree Blemish Fade Night Lotion, and the second one is the Body Shop Tea Tree Skin Clearing Lotion. Let's start with the night lotion because that's what I got at first. So this one is 30 ml for 995 rupees, and this is how it looks. It's tea tree oil, and it has this pump, and the consistency is like this. It's quite nice. So that, and it blends really well into the skin, and at first it might seem to be a little glossy, but within seconds it gets sunk inside. So I really like how it is that way, and it smells so good. I can't even express how nice it smells. Sometimes even though I'm really tired and I'm already in bed and then I remember that I still have to apply the lotion, I actually get up to apply this just because of the smell, because I like myself smelling like that before sleeping. So that's that. Alright, so the first thing about tea tree oil is if it's applied in a large quantity, then sometimes it's a little harsh to the skin. So whenever you use a tea tree oil product, it should always be increased in quantity and used gradually. So you don't have to, like, you know, one fine day like wake up and like use all the tea tree oil on your skin, and then, you know, if you're starting it like for the first time, then you should gradually maybe use it thrice a week, and then 4 times a week, and then weekly, like, you know, then all days a week, like that, gradually, not once, you know, all at once. At night when I wash my face, if I've had a long day or if I've had makeup on for a lot of time, then my face tends to get really dry. So once I apply this at night after my face wash, it really helps to moisturize, and it is so cooling. The minute I apply it, I feel like, wow, I've got like some shitloads of cucumber on my face. It's like that cooling. So I really like the cooling and moisturizing part of this lotion. So I think that is obviously going to help my blemish. So I wouldn't say that they've actually faded over time, but I will definitely say that nothing has increased, and you know, it hasn't gone ahead, like it's not got worsened, but it's definitely gone stable. And in the middle, when I was extremely regular while applying this, I could actually see the difference in my skin, but slowly, I'm not sure why. I think my exam started and I started to get really tired at night and I almost forgot about it. So those were the times when my skin started to, you know, get dry and flaky again. But now I've started using it again. I've resumed, and I can see a difference. So I definitely like the night lotion. It's really nice. Coming to the next lotion is the Tea Tree Skin Clearing Lotion. This also is for 995, but it has 50 ml of product in this, and it's like a normal tube, and this is the consistency. And even this is very quick in sinking in. The only thing about this lotion is I can apply this freely, like I can apply this without being scared. But this thing, if this increases in quantity, if this is too much on your face, my skin literally burns. I don't know what is it about this lotion, but my skin burns if there is even a slight more amount of product on my face. So I'm sure, like, you know, this is not good for redness or rashes or anything, because this causes a lot of irritation. So make sure you don't apply this if you have a lot of redness and rashes because of acne. I know it's a skin clearing lotion, it is supposed to be used for acne and blemishes and everything, but don't use it if your skin gets rashes. One best quality about this lotion is it is supremely good for oil control. I'm not even kidding. I use this any time of the day. My skin, like, it works like magic when I want some oil control, and it works so well that I've started using it as a primer for my makeup. Like, I actually apply this before my foundation, and it controls the oil so well that my makeup lasts longer. So if you guys are looking for primers or oil control primers, then I would definitely suggest you to do this, because it helps your skin, it repairs your skin, and also works as a primer. So that's one great thing. I don't think it has cleared my skin a lot. I would give more brownie points to this product than this. It has not cleared much, but it is extremely good for oil control, and it doesn't, you know, I don't feel very sticky after applying this if I go out, like, you know, if I'm going shopping and if I come after 5 hours. Then too, the oil content that would usually my skin would flush is extremely less, after applying this. So I think the major reason I apply this on my skin is just for oil control. So guys, that was my teeny tiny review of these two products. I'm using them individually for individual reasons. So I think I'm happy with my moisturizing and cooling and blemish fading and my oil control with this. I would give more brownie points and more grace to this one, the night lotion, than this one. But I think they're both good. Y'all should buy this one for sure. If not this, y'all should definitely invest for this one. But if you're interested, then buy them both. The whole range is really nice. I'm planning to buy some more tea tree oil products from Body Shop very soon. So I'll keep you all posted, and I hope you all like this review. If you all did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment below how you all like it, and also let me know if you all have any more video requests. If you all want me to do any other product reviews, then I will be glad to. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!